Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to play with the page kit. This is one of those ones we put together. It was for layout 17. We are using up a stash. Let's see. Got some chipboard pieces. Some little tags and bits and cards and things. More chipboard. Little tickets. Stickers. Some puffies. Enamel dots. Okay. This was a few of the girls from She Loves Color. And then we've got What If we do something like that. That might be fun. What do you guys think? We'll do that and then we'll figure it out from there. Really? Is that what we want to do, or do we want to do this? And then potentially just use this one like this. Or use this one like this. Break that up a bit. I'm trying to figure this out because I don't know what I want to do. I think we'll take this one out. Boom. And I think for now we're going to start with this nice little border, and then we'll figure something out for there. Okay. Right? I don't really know. Because we do have all this, so what if we went in reverse? See, now and then we put these kind of all in there. Or if we take that one out and do a bit of that. Yes, let's do that. I know that took me a minute to get there, but eventually we get there, right? So how is everybody doing? This is just part of my little random series that I'm doing to use material up. So I made all these page kits to go on all of my crops, and I was effective until I had to cancel my big crop, which was what it was, right? Because I had to go to Germany, which was a super wonderful experience for me for work, and I don't have any more crops for the rest of the year, but I still want to get this stuff used up because I want it out of my craft room. This is Paige Evans, These are older collections. I took all of my Paige and Vicky and made them into a whole bunch of Paige kits. Because it's not my style anymore. And yeah, that's really just it. That's just like the long and short of it. It's just not my style anymore, which is okay. Now let's see. We're just gonna tear these. Just gonna do a rough tear of everything. I'm just really using the rulers so that I don't have some really weird lines, right? So we've got that. I'm not really going for perfect or straight. Like straight square, I guess I should say, right? So you guys kind of see the thought process here unfolding. Some random terrage. Okay. Kind of get these guys in here. Little wonka-donk. I'm going to put that right there in the middle-ish. Or do we kind of like that? Ooh! I like that. Okay. So I like the way that that is done. So let's just come in. And we'll tack it all down. And then we can move it around a little bit as a one solid unit. Get it stuck there. This guy's gonna go here. Do we want? I was gonna mat it, but then I'm like, nah, let's just go for it. Let's just go for it. All right, what do we got over here? So we do have these tags. No. Sometimes things don't work. But I think we can make this work. Somehow. Probably not, because it's cut weird, so let's just not make it a tag anymore, right? Just trim it down. Just a little bit. Okay. Let's put that on there. Boop. So you see we've got some stuff kind of coming into play. But let's do it this way. And then we'll tuck more so to the top. Like that, okay. And then let's just go with Fun Times. We're just going to go ahead and get our title on. Right there. So I'm pretty sure me and CJ photobombed Pam and Linda. I think that's what happened. I'm not real sure. Stitched with love. Oh, hey. What? I say go for it. If it works, it works. What's this? Get that there. Come in with the hello and the details. And we can do handcrafted Fun Times. That's what I'm talking about. Stick the wonderful stuff up there. It says think happy thoughts. Happiness is homemade. Gonna connect that. Oh, why not? So let me go ahead, because we're already at 12 minutes, let me go ahead and just kind of faff with this for a minute, get some more stuff glued down, figure out what else I want to pull in, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're still just kind of popping in some items. Actually using more than I thought I would. Let's put that there. Stick that one under there. Got 3 of those left. And I think we'll finish it with some of these close to 100 glitter gems. They only come in 2 sizes. Well, came, huh? So get a few of those. Popped around, and then that's gonna do it, you guys. So another layout complete. More stash used up. Let me know if you're playing along or you're having fun with creating stash kits, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.